Looking for a mini sewing machine that actually works without breaking the bank? Whether you're a complete beginner, need quick repairs, or want something portable for small projects, I've got you covered. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best mini sewing machines that deliver real performance at affordable prices. Make sure to check the links in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Michley Lil Sew & Sew LSS 505. And this little powerhouse? Seriously impressive for its size. If you're looking for ultimate portability without sacrificing functionality, this is your machine. This thing weighs less than 2 pounds. Let me repeat that, less than 2 pounds. You can literally carry it in one hand, like a purse. Despite its tiny size, it comes with 12 built-in stitches, including straight, zigzag, stretch, and even decorative options. That's more variety than you'd expect from something this compact. What really surprised people in the reviews, its versatility with fabrics. Users report successfully sewing everything from delicate silk to lightweight denim. That's pretty remarkable for a machine this small. It runs on batteries or plugs into any power source, making it genuinely useful anywhere in the world. The package includes 4 bobbins, a foot pedal, needles, and a threader. Everything you need to start sewing right out of the box. The price point? Incredibly budget-friendly, often coming in as the most affordable option on this list. Now, here's the honest consideration. Because it's so lightweight and compact, you won't want to use this for heavy-duty projects or thick multiple fabric layers. It's built for quick fixes, small crafts, and lightweight materials. If you're planning to tackle upholstery or multi-layer quilts regularly, you'll want something more robust. At number 4, the Magicfly mini sewing machine strikes an excellent balance between portability and practical features. Weighing just under 4 pounds, it's still incredibly light, but it gives you a bit more stability than ultra-compact options. This machine features 2 adjustable speed settings, which is perfect when you're learning or working on detailed sections that need precision. You can go slow for tricky corners and speed up for straight seams. The dual power option means you can use batteries for true portability or plug it in when you're working at home. What sets this apart? The thoughtful extras. It comes with a removable auxiliary table that expands your workspace, an LED work light for better visibility, and a dust-proof storage bag to protect your investment. The 42-piece accessory kit is genuinely comprehensive, everything from extra needles to measuring tape. People love the color options too. It's available in 3 different colors, so you can pick something that matches your workspace or personal style. Forum users consistently praise how quiet this machine runs compared to others in its class. The consideration here is the stitch selection. While it handles basic stitching beautifully, it doesn't offer as many decorative stitch options as some competitors. If you need lots of fancy stitches for embellishment work, you might feel limited, but for mending, alterations, and straightforward sewing projects, it performs flawlessly. Coming in at number 3 is the KPCB Tech Mini Sewing Machine, and this one really stands out for beginners who want safety features and a complete learning package. If you're new to sewing or buying for someone who is, pay attention to this one. The finger guard is the star feature here. It provides an extra layer of protection that makes nervous beginners feel more confident. Parents buying for teenagers or young adults, they especially appreciate this safety consideration. Despite being marketed as mini, it uses a double thread design just like full-size machines, which means stronger, more professional seams. Here's something impressive. This machine can handle up to 5 layers of fabric without you having to manually tie knots at the end. That's serious capability for a compact machine. The dual speed settings let you practice slowly until you build confidence, then switch to standard speed as your skills improve. The extension table is actually sturdy and useful, not just a flimsy add-on. You get real workspace expansion. The included toolkit is incredibly complete. Bobbins, scissors, measuring tape, thimble, needle threader, and various needles. The multi-language manual covers 6 languages, making it accessible worldwide. The thing to consider is the learning curve with threading. Several users mention it takes a few tries to get the threading path down correctly. The manual helps, but watching a quick online tutorial speeds up the process significantly. Once you've threaded it a few times, it becomes knack and second nature. At number 2, we have the Singer M1000 mending machine. And Singer's reputation for quality really shines through here. This compact powerhouse punches way above its weight class in terms of features and performance. With 32 built-in stitch patterns, you're getting serious versatility. We're talking garment alterations, decorative touches, home decor projects, and everything in between. The automatic needle threader saves so much frustration and time. If you've ever struggled squinting at a tiny needle eye, you'll appreciate this feature every time you use it. The transparent bobbin is genius. You can actually see your thread levels at a glance instead of running out mid-project unexpectedly. It sounds simple, but it's one of those quality-of-life features that makes sewing more enjoyable. Users consistently mention how sturdy the build feels despite the compact size. This isn't the flimsy plastic toy, it's a legitimate sewing tool. The machine excels at quick fixes and small projects. Keep it in your craft room, take it to sewing classes, or store it in a closet for those emergency button or hem situations. The combination of low cost and high functionality makes it exceptional value for money. The consideration is that while it's called a mending machine, some users find it lacks the power for really heavy mending on heavy workwear or canvas materials. It's perfect for standard clothing repairs and lightweight to medium fabrics, but don't expect it to power through heavy canvas or leather. And our number 1 pick is the Brother XM2701 lightweight sewing machine. And this consistently ranks as the best overall mini sewing machine. And after researching hundreds of reviews, it's clear why it dominates the category. 27 built-in stitches give you incredible creative freedom. You get decorative options, blind hem, zigzag, stretch stitches, and an automatic one-step buttonholer. That buttonholer alone is worth mentioning because making professional buttonholes is usually tricky for beginners, but this machine makes it simple and consistent. The jam-resistant quick-set top drop-in bobbin system, a game changer. No more wrestling with bobbin cases or dealing with thread jams every few minutes. The automatic needle threader works reliably, and users rave about how much time this saves. 6 included sewing feet cover buttonholes, zippers, zigzag, narrow hammer, blind stitch, and button sewing. Here's what really matters. This machine grows with you. Beginners find it easy to learn on, but it has enough intermediate features that you won't outgrow it quickly. Forum discussions consistently mention people using these machines for years without needing upgrades. The consideration is weight and portability. At just over 15 pounds, it's the heaviest on this list. It's still portable and manageable, but if you need something to carry frequently between locations, one of the lighter options might suit you better. For home use, though, that extra weight provides stability during operation. Those are my top 5 picks for the best mini sewing machines you can grab on Amazon right now. Each one brings something unique to the table depending on your specific needs and budget. Check those links in the description box for current deals and detailed customer reviews. Happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next one.